Are you tired of spinning your wheels in the gym, doing a million exercises with nothing to show for it? You know the feeling, right? You walk into the gym with all the motivation in the world ready to crush your workout. But by the end of it, you're left feeling drained and disappointed. It's like you're putting in all this effort, but the results just aren't there. Yeah, I feel you. It's frustrating, isn't it? You see other people making progress, getting stronger, looking fitter, and you wonder, what am I doing wrong? You might even start to doubt yourself, thinking maybe you're just not cut out for this. But let me tell you, it's not you. It's your approach. You're putting in the work, but the gains just aren't coming. It's not for lack of effort. You're there day in and day out, pushing yourself to the limit. But without the right strategy, all that hard work can feel like it's going to waste. It's like running on a treadmill. You're moving, but you're not really getting anywhere. It's like trying to build a house with toothpicks, right? You need a solid foundation, the right materials, and a clear plan. Otherwise, no matter how hard you work, you're not going to see the results you want. It's the same with your workouts. You need the right exercises, the ones that are going to give you the most bang for your buck. You need the right tools, the big guns, the exercises that are going to shock your system and unlock some serious mass. We're talking about compound movements, heavy lifting, and smart programming. These are the things that are going to take your workouts to the next level. Forget about those endless sets of bicep curls and tricep kickbacks. It's time to get serious. That's what we're diving into today. We're going to break down the most effective exercises, the ones that are going to help you build muscle, gain strength, and see real progress. So if you're ready to stop wasting time and start seeing results, stick around. This is going to be a game changer for your fitness journey. Let's get started. All right, let's talk squats. I'm not talking about those half-rep squats I see going on in gyms these days. We're talking about full range of motion squats. This is the king of all exercises. Why? Because it's a compound movement engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. You're working your quads, hamstrings, glutes, even your core is getting fired up. This is how you build a foundation of strength. Next up, we got deadlifts. This is one of the most fundamental and powerful exercises you can do in the gym. It's not just about lifting weights, it's about building a foundation of strength that will support all your other lifts and activities. It's a true test of your physical and mental fortitude. When you step up to that barbell, it's just you and the weight. There's no hiding, no shortcuts. It's all about raw power and determination. We're talking about picking up a heavy weight from the ground, engaging your entire posterior chain. This means your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and even your core are all working together to lift that weight. It's a full body movement that demands coordination and strength. Your back, your traps, your hamstrings, and even your calves are all engaged. Every muscle in your body is contributing to this lift. It's not just about brute strength, it's about technique and form. You need to keep your back straight, your core tight, and your grip strong. Your forearms, everything is working overtime. The grip strength you develop from deadlifting is unparalleled. It translates to better performance in other lifts and everyday tasks. When you can hold on to a heavy barbell, you can handle anything life throws at you. Deadlifts build real-world strength. It's not just about looking good, it's about being functional and capable. When you train deadlifts, you're preparing your body for the challenges of daily life. Deadlifts are the ultimate functional exercise, giving you the power and confidence to tackle anything. Now let's move on to the upper body. We're talking about the bench press, the ultimate chest-building exercise. But it's not just about your chest. You're also hitting your shoulders, triceps, even your back is working to stabilize the weight. The key here is to control the weight nice and slow on the way down, explosive on the way up. Welcome to the ultimate test of your fitness journey. Last but not least, we got pull-ups. This exercise is a staple in any serious fitness regimen. Now, a lot of people shy away from pull-ups because they're hard. It's true, they can be intimidating, but that's the point. The challenge is what makes them so rewarding. Pull-ups are the ultimate test of upper body strength. They push you to your limits and beyond. You're using your own body weight to pull yourself up, engaging your back, biceps, forearms. Every muscle in your upper body is working in harmony. Start with assisted pull-ups if you have to. There's no shame in that. Everyone starts somewhere. But work your way up to doing full reps with perfect form. Consistency is key. Keep pushing yourself and you'll see progress. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Each pull-up you complete is a step towards your goal. Set new goals for yourself. Once you master pull-ups, challenge yourself with more advanced variations. Try wide grip pull-ups, chin-ups, or even muscle-ups. Keep your workouts dynamic and exciting, so embrace the challenge, stay committed, and enjoy the process. You've got this. The ultimate test is within you. Keep pushing, keep growing. So there you have it. The 4 exercises you need to build serious mass. No need to overcomplicate things, just focus on the basics. Lift heavy and be consistent. Remember, it's not about how much weight you can lift, it's about how much weight you can lift well. Now get out there and start building some muscle.